So, how was your day at work today, Jimmy?
I don't go to work.
Yes, you do. Would you need some ketchup on that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I like ketchup.
Me too.
So, heard you had to work, had a job, that's why you had to leave my grandma's early?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because I live with my grandma.
I shoveled crap and dumped it.
That's a good job.
No, it sucked. I got paid $30 because I worked 3 hours. We don't make very much money.
It's a hard enough life for us. Hard road. I find fun in eating meatloaf because that's all I can afford is microwave meatloaf. Can I please have some more ketchup?
We can't afford more ketchup. So how's your meatloaf?
I spent all the money at the gentleman's club, like it used.
It's not my fault. You don't please me. You're such a
Hmm?
You nothing.
What? Making fun of my job?
No. Houseman.
I live in my grandma's basement.
Hoosier.
I am trying to enjoy the meal that I prepared for us.
It was microwave meatloaf.